Yeah, good evening. Depending on where you are watching it from. Tonight, we'll be looking at this very problem. Amen. Yeah, we'll be looking at this. We are asked to integrate this function, which I know that is a difficult task, most especially for those who are not conversant with calculus. But it's simple as ABC, right? When you come across functions of this form, at first what you need to do is employ what is called integration by substitution. Is that clear? So let's go ahead and begin to now say by substitution, amen, by substitution, okay, it means we are going to let any alphabet, either u equals to what is inside this bracket, x plus 3 all over x. Mind you, you are not going to close the bracket and put the power. Please take note, very important. Is that clear? It's okay. So if you agree with me, this implies that for us to, it means we want to differentiate this function with respect to what? X. So how can we differentiate this function with respect to x? It means this will lead us to employ what is called quotient rule, true or false. We will apply quotient rule. So we now say, it means the quotient rule now be u equals to Pm. Let us use Pm because we have used u here. So we now say, we now let P be equals to this x plus 3 and n be equals to x. So we have to differentiate this function. So it means our dp all over the x is going to give us 1, and the n all over the x will give us 1. True or false? Are you following? Do you have any question? Is there any question that you want to ask? You are following, right? It's okay. So if that is taken, so it implies that we have to now write our du all over the x now be equals to p dn all over the x minus n dp all over the x all over m squared. Yeah. So far so good. So our du all over the x now be equals to, what is our p? Ordinary p is this x plus 3 times dm all over dx is 1. True or false? Times 1. What do we have here? Minus. What is our m? Is x. Amen. X times what is our dp all over the x is 1, right? Then all over what is it? M squared, which is what? X squared. So as you can see, you don't need a prophet to tell you this is equals to, open this bracket, x times 1, x, 3 times 1 is 3. Then x times 1, x minus x all over x squared. So you can now see that this and this will go. So our du all over the x is equals to 3 all over what? X. So at this point, what you need to do here is to make the x the subject of the formula. So if this one multiply this one multiply this, it means we are going to divide 2 by 3. Go? Yeah. So the x will now be equals to x squared du all over 3. Yeah, look at the board, please. Do you have any question? Look at the board. Is there any question? Yes or no? No question? Okay, so if there's no question, let's proceed. So this implies that anyway, these are assignments from NDA, Nigeria Defense Academy, from NDA. Is okay. So let's look at it together. Okay. So what we need to do here is for us to look at the board very well. For us to now substitute in dx, instead of dx we write x squared du all over 3. Yeah. So here will now be equals to integral 1 all over x squared times dx is this. But mind you, here we say let u. So u raised to the powers of what? 2 all over 7. Then times dx is x squared, amen, x squared du all over 3. So looking at this, you don't need a prophet to tell this and this will cancel. Then this will now be 1 times this is the same thing. So it's going to be integral 1 all over 3 u raised to the power of 2 all over 7 du. Do you understand up to this point? Please ask your question. In case you have any question, ask your question. Okay, so far so good. So at this point, we have to factor out 1 all over 3 integral u raised to the power of 2 all over 7 du. So when we integrate this function, we are going to have 1 all over 3 times u raised to the power of what? 9 all over 7 all over 9 all over 7 plus the constant. But by the time we take the inverse of this, here we are going to have what? 7, which is 7 all over 3 dot u raised to the power of 9 all over 7, then all over 9 plus the constant. But our u is this. So therefore our final answer will now be 7 all over 3, then x plus 3 all over x, then raised to the power of 9 all over 7 all over what? 9 plus k. So this is the final answer. Do you have any question? Do you have any question? No question. So as you can see, this is how you are going to approach this type of questions. First thing is to apply substitution. Is that clear? So thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Very grateful. Love you. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Yeah.